Hello guys, this is Sam, and this is a quick tutorial to teach you how to get your vesting balance from bitshares. So after registering on bitshares and signing up for registering for a lifetime account or a yearly account. Okay, let me just quickly show you how to fix that. So you go to your account. First of all, you click this place, you click account, right? And then you have this. These are my active balance, right? I have some bitshares, Beyond Bits, Dodge, and Tcash. Then you go to membership, right? Now, before you get your bitshares referral link, you have to pay for either a lifetime account. Well, I would prefer you register for a lifetime account, right? Now, once you register for a lifetime account, you will get 80% of your transaction fees back to you. 80% of your transaction fees, as you can see, um, I'm getting 80% back, right? You see, I actually registered with someone's link, but because I've paid for a lifetime account, uh, that person will no longer be getting uh, my transaction fees. So when I registered for BitShares, that was last year, my lifetime account was what the fee then was about 1491 BitShares, but right now it's way lower. So it's way lower, right? So to withdraw your vesting balance, after registering for a lifetime account, all you just need to do is scroll down here and click on vesting balance, right? Okay, now this means I can claim. Okay, the last one I claimed was let me just show you. Once you click this, you can claim. Well, let me just show you the last one I did. I'll go back to account and then click activity. Activity shows you this is like a transaction history. Okay, the last withdrawal, I withdrew vesting balance of 23 BitShares. It was done yesterday, right? Vesting balance. I think so far I've done just 2 withdrawal. Let's see, withdraw vesting balance. Right. I did one 3 months ago. I withdrew 5 BitShares, right, from vesting balance, and then uh, that's and 23 BitShares yesterday. Now these vesting balances can be claimed here. So after going to accounts, or you can get from anywhere, just get down to vesting balances, and then you claim. Now this 100% means you can claim 100% of this, right? So right now I have just 1.477 BitShares, but it won't be wise to claim this right now. Let me show you why. Okay, I'm not sure that went through. Okay, this is the reason why it's not wise to claim this right now, because the fee is 1.4. So if I claim 1.8, I can't even do that right now because the fee is way higher than what I have. So I'll just let it keep piling up, pile up, pile up. Once it gets to like 20 or 100, I can claim for the same price. So guys, thanks for watching. That's how to claim your vesting balance on BitShares, right? Back to my account. Thanks for watching.